Hello, this is the second video of Stocks Bus. Welcome to this new video. In this video, we will be discussing about plottings of 10th May 2021. Okay, so let's start with Nifty 50. Okay, let me just open its chart and we will discuss further plottings on it. Okay, so here this is the full chart, and this was my plotting on yesterday's market session, Friday. I drawn this pole and flag, and it gave breakout here, retested here, and gave a good target till here. Okay, so let's just switch to let me just clear this and we will start our plotting again. Okay, so first I will switch to 3 hours time frame. Okay, this is sort of a good level. Okay, we can draw sort of a trend line here. Okay, and no, there is no such very good it can be considered as a zone. So let me just draw a parallel channel here from here till here. Okay, so this is it for 3 hours time frame. Now I will switch to 30 minutes time frame directly. Okay, this is one of a very good level I can see here, and okay, it can also be considered as a good level, I would say. Yes, it is. Okay, uh no, this is not. No, okay, now I will switch to 15-minute chart frame. Okay, okay, so this is sort of a another level which is respected. No, it is not pretty well trustworthy. Okay, so this is another good level. This. Okay, this is it. Now I will switch to 5-minute time frame. Okay, so let me just first draw this channel over here. This, it can be respected again on further moves, so we will keep it drawn. Okay, so I would suggest you to don't trade on this blindly. I would suggest you to join my course and learn a proper way to trade on this plottings. Okay, there are so much risk involved in trading, so do at your own risk with proper risk management. Okay, this is sort of another good line, I would say. Okay, so this is it for Nifty 50. Okay, but for tomorrow we'll focus on this zones. Okay, now I will switch to Bank Nifty. Okay, it is creating a very good zones. Let me just clear this off. I will switch to 3 hours time frame. Let me just shrink it a bit. Okay, first thing I see here is this. Okay, and I would say no, this is not a good level. No, this is not. Okay, this is sort of a good level here. This is 2. Okay, now we'll switch to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I can see another good trend line here. Okay, we can rely on this. This looks pretty good. Okay, and I don't see any good levels over here which can be respected. Okay, so let me wait. Okay, it is working fine. Okay, so I won't consider this as a level. No, not a good level. Let me switch to 5-minute directly, and I saw a pattern here, so let me just draw it for now. Okay, so this is the pattern, I would say. If you see, it gives just breakout, so most probably if there is no positive news in the market, then it will give a good breakout till now, and it will give target to this line, and we can consider this as our another target, but it can't be traded. Okay, let me just draw it off. Okay, this line we can't trade on this, but we can consider this as our target. Okay, so this is it for Bank Nifty. Now I will pick five stocks which can be. Okay, wait. Okay, it also gave a breakout from a triple top. There will be good fall, I think so, in this stock. This is HDFC Bank. Okay, it may give a breakout here, then there will be good downfall here. Okay, keep eye on that stock. Okay, no, not in a good patterns. Okay, this is our previous plotting on JSW Steels. As you can see, it worked pretty well here. Okay, And let me just switch. Okay, this is a sort of a very good plotting. I would suggest you to trade on it. Okay, let me just clear you off, clear some things. Okay. Okay, so here we can see a good consolidation zone. So let me just draw a tradable zone where we can take trades. Okay. Okay, this is our perfect trend line for above side. Okay, so this is perfect trend line from below side. Okay, focus on this chart. It may give a very good breakout because 80 to 90% at a time, whenever the stock comes in this tight trend, then it gives a sudden breakout. Okay, so keep eye on HCL Tech. This is our third stock for the day. Okay. Okay, so for targets, I would say for upper side, this is our last target. I would say this is our second target. I would say this is our first target. Okay, and in downside, you would consider this line as a target. No, it can't be trusted. Let me just remove this. Okay. Okay, so here we can use this line as our first target and this line as our final target. Okay, this is for HCL Tech. I will post this plotting screenshot on my Instagram. Okay, I post it daily. Okay, it is another good zone which can be traded. So let me just draw it off here to here. Okay, wait for a bearish entry on this. Okay, don't go bullish on this. It may give a bullish entry, but trade light. If it give bullish entry, trade light. See, as you can see, the stock like is moving this. Okay, this is a neutral pattern. We can go either on upper side, either on a downside. Okay, just trade with light quantity, don't go with heavy quantity on this. On upper side, I would say this is our first target, this is our final target, and this is final target, and this is a trailing target. If you want to know what is trailing target and all this stuff, you can join our membership to learn the same. And first thing, all the stocks and all the plottings are profitable when you use it with proper technique and proper trailing strategy. We teach that trailing strategy in our membership. Okay, you have to enroll for it if you want to learn it. Okay, let me just see, is there any good moment in this? Okay, it is a very crucial level here. Okay, let me just see, is this good? Yes, it is a good trend line, I would say. Okay, so here is this, and this. Okay, so wait a second. Okay, no, this is pretty wrong thing. Okay, so in this plotting, since this pattern breakout, we will consider our final target at this level, and our final target at selling side at wait a second, and final target of selling side is at this session. Okay, keep trailing SL, keep trade safe. Okay, this is educational video. So these are the 5 plottings of the day. I will post them on my Instagram also. There are total 10 numbers of Instagram plotting, total 10 numbers of stock plottings I post on my Instagram daily before the market hour, and there are many members which are booking profit on it. Okay, and as I already told you, if you want to learn to trade on this plotting, there is a proper way to trade on this. Okay, you can't just go in blindly on breakout fakeouts. We teach a lot of things with advanced core price action. You have to enroll for the membership. You can call me directly. 820-816-5213 is my phone number. Okay, so this is it for the day. This is the top 5 stock patterns I would consider to trade on. Okay, so this is it. Trade safe.